Bunny, it is your sis Rocky, and I am back with another video. Not only another video, a deep conditioner series video. So if you are part of the Bunny family, welcome back, sis. I am so happy to see you. And if you're not part of the Bunny family, I am Rocky, and I make videos about natural hair, skin, nails, and just overall health and wellness. So if any of those topics interest you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so every time I upload, you will be the first to know. Today, I wanted to do an update of one of my favorite deep conditioners. Now, I have a super old video featuring this deep conditioner. If you want to check out that video, feel free to. I felt like updating it, and my hair has grown, so I wanted to use it again on camera. I use it all the time off camera. I feature it so much on my channel, I feel like I should update my favorite deep conditioners, or make sure at least you know I mean it when I say they're my favorite deep conditioners. So this deep conditioner smells just like a fruit roll-up to me. I don't know why, but when I smell it, that's what I think of. It's really lightweight, it's not heavy and thick. It is like the perfect consistency for low porosity hair. It's lightweight and runny, so it will absorb into your somewhat resistant strands. So my hair is sectioned into 16 twists. This is how I wash and deep condition my hair. I use a tangle teaser to detangle each section. Then I twist my hair back up and put it into a bantu knot. Sis, don't laugh, I'm a mess, okay? I know I'm a mess. I already know I'm a mess, okay? My life is a mess. I know this, okay? It just came out when I was deep conditioning my hair. I'm a mess. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I got a little messy, but you know, that's life. It is what it is. So yeah, I just continued to do what I was doing. I sprayed my hair with the water just to dampen it. I applied the deep conditioner. I used my tangle teaser to detangle, twisted my hair back up, and then placed it in a bantu knot. And then now that I'm done, I am going to put a plastic cap on. If you've been following me, then you know that I sleep with my deep conditioner in, and I will see you in the morning. Good morning. So I'm just gonna take my scarf off and show you what my hair looks like. I did sit under my conditioning cap for about 30 minutes. I took the plastic cap off, put my satin scarf on, and slept with my deep conditioner in. As you can see, the product completely absorbed into my hair. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, rinse it out, and come back and let you know what I think about it, even though we already know what I think about it. So this is my hair. It's very moisturized, very soft. It feels super hydrated, and it just works perfectly every single time. So I have type 4 hair, so you're not going to see super defined coils and curls in my hair without any product in it. My hair is frizzy when it is in a no product state. So when I tell you my hair feels soft and hydrated, you kind of just have to take my word for it, because I know looking at it, you're like, girl, your hair looks frizzy and dry. But I'm telling you, it's not. It is soft and hydrated, okay? So because I have type 4 hair, it just doesn't really, once the water has kind of absorbed into my hair and it's not soaking wet anymore, it doesn't really take on its texture. Like, it just, all the strands kind of separate, and it goes into a frizzy state. I'm still trying to figure out how to get my hair to stay clumped even when it's not drenched. I don't know if it's possible or not. TGIN is one of my top 5 favorite deep conditioners, and it always will be. It always performs really well in my hair, and I am always satisfied with the results. The price of TGIN is between $14.99 and $17.99. If it's in your budget, I would highly recommend trying it out. I do get about 2 to 3 usages out of the deep conditioner. I am a little bit heavy-handed still, That's something I need to work on. This is the review. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions at all, leave it in the comments below because I will comment back and we can have a conversation. If you have any deep conditioning recommendations, leave that in the comments below because I will try my best to try them out. But I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, I hope you learned something new. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe because I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya.